So let's add some more code to our game and get some more interaction with our objects. So we want the player to realize that this screwdriver that's on the bridge needs charging. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to set a global condition, so it's up on the menu on the top right here, and we're going to set a condition that says if they use the electric screwdriver, give them a message, and the message will say nothing happens, the electric screwdriver needs charging. What we want to happen here is that we want them to realize that they need to interact with the screwdriver somehow and find some power. So I'm going to confirm the message with that tick and then enter my code with the tick on the right here. So there it is. So if they use a screwdriver, they realize, crumbs, I need to get some power. So we want them to figure out that the power source is this engine in this specific location. Now, if we take the screwdriver there and we charge it somehow, we use a very neat trick in the Adventure Creator to basically swap our electric screwdriver with a charged screwdriver, and I'll show you what I mean. Up here we have a special room called Room 0. Room 0 is a special location that the player can't get to. We can put in here any objects that we want to bring in the game at any time. So we need to create a charged screwdriver. Give it a weight, 10, make sure that it can be carried. Select the tick to confirm it. And what we're going to basically do on this location in the engine room is say, if the player uses the engine and has the electric screwdriver, we're going to swap the electric screwdriver with the charged screwdriver, and this is how we do it. If use the engine, and if we are carrying the electric screwdriver, so that's if have the electric screwdriver, in this action menu you'll find the word swap. So make sure you can find it, tap on swap, and we're going to swap the electric screwdriver with the charged screwdriver from Room 0, so they'll swap over, and we better give them a message and make sure the message makes sense, so that they know there's a response to them doing this. And here it is. You plug. So I've just cut to this bit to save you time watching me type the whole message in. You plug the screwdriver into a small port on the side of the engine and watch as it charges with power. We need to confirm the message and then confirm our code with this tick on the right, and there it is. Close that with the X, save your game, and go off and test it. So let's play the game. The first thing we'll do is go and get our electric screwdriver. There it is. And at any place in the game, let's go, oh sorry, you need to be able to go south, there we are. Anywhere we try and use that, we should get a message that tells us, crumbs, it needs charging. Right, where do we find charge? At the engine. So now we'll type in use engine, and remember we are carrying the electric screwdriver to make this work. So use engine, you plug the screwdriver in and watch as it charges with power. Now these two should have swapped, and if I tap on the bag, there it is. I'm now carrying a charged screwdriver that came from Room 0, and the electric screwdriver that was uncharged has gone to Room 0. And that's how you can swap objects and bring them into your game. Room 0 is going to be very, very useful. See you in the next tutorial.